In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an emboss effect in Blender by importing an external black and white image file. This is how the scene looks like. As we can see, there's an embossed image on the surface of the Z-scaled cube. Before I show you how to create this emboss effect, I'll recap on how we used to import an image to attach it to the surface of a mesh. Let's create a cube and import an external PNG image file with a transparent background. We would move the image as closely possible to the surface, and Shift-select both objects. Once we press Ctrl-P to parent them, then the image will follow along. But then, what if the surface is not flat? Go to Edit Mode, right-click and type S to subdivide the image multiple times like this. We can shrink-wrap the image to the sphere. Let's go back to the original mesh, and I'll show you the node details. The Z-scaled cube was created like this. Alt-click the cube's side face loop like this. Ctrl-B to bevel, and please use the mouse wheel up to add more segments. We can clearly see the emboss effect here, and it was created by using the noise and the bump nodes. Here are the full nodes. Let's see what each node does. Do you remember a node called Mix RGB? I'm using one right here, but that node is no longer available on Blender 3.4. Now we need to use a Mix node, and that will do what Mix RGB node used to do. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.